Entrepreneurs can see things for 5 to 10 years and have a very clear vision of their companies, and also they introduce change to their company. Innovation is creativity and commercializations. Innovation is something measurable, but creation is something is subjective and cannot be measured. Creativity unleashes the mind to open for the new ideas, but innovation is measurable and it introduces changes into a relatively stable system for a better solution. Opportunity with a clear vision and values, and it provides values to yourself, your company, and the other party, let's say the other customers and other supplier or customers. But for the right opportunity is something with massive benefits, not only to yourself, to the other parties, but with the whole society as a whole. That would be the right opportunity. The right opportunity is to understand what is our society needs, and with a clear vision and values, how to use your value proposition to increase the impact for the values. That will be the criteria. I first cover suppliers first. Suppliers is like myself who provide solution, service, and products to my customers. And for customer, we have come with many different forms. We come with clients, customers, consumers, and users. And as a client will be in our case, will be architects and designers. And we provide solution for them to adopt our service and solutions. For customers and consumer, they will be very similar, and they will the parties who pay for the products, and because they adopt the solution from the clients. And for the user will be the end users, and for teacher and students, everyone in the schools. Competitive advantages. We have many competitors in our industry, and we have 20s. And among these 20 competitors, we have the excels in one or two strong points, which is compared to other competitors, we have advantages, and there is competitive advantage. TFH, I would consider our business will be in building material supply and specialize in ironmongery, building hardware. Ironmongery is the English term for doors hardware, which include hinges, door handles, lock, and various other ironmongery, small ironmongery fittings. And that will be the ironmongery business. The challenges of our company is facing is first is globalization, and the second is with the increased use of new technologies. Internally, we are facing manpower, especially in middle management. Our target clients will be architects and interior designers. And also, the party who purchase our products will be the contractors, developers, and end users. Agility, innovative, and competitive. Innovative will be the most important values to stay competitive. Why innovative is important is we live in a changing world with many things happen every day with the rise of internet, and with many different problems, and it is opportunity for us. And if we have innovative mindset and we can think of the solution for the clients, sometimes the clients do not know the problems, and without the problems they don't know the solutions. And we need to understand the problem and to give the solution, and that is innovative. Our competitive, first I would like to explain the industry first. Our industry is the only industry which required registration status for building material supplies in United States and United Kingdom. That is for the industry. And for our company, TFH is the only company is excel in architecture and interior designers. Traditionally, this is two different market segments, but TFH can provide solution across this segment, which other competitors cannot offer the same. Our uniqueness, our company will be, we have a shared value. With these shared values, which enable us to market from client to the end users. Most of my competitors can only reach to the client and customers, but consumers and end users are also our clients, and we can use this uniqueness to do marketing. And we are the one with clients from diversified fields, which we have architects, interior designers, but sometimes which we have end users from security, like police, hotel management, and sometimes it's a hospital management and prison management. So we have different categories of end users. For political, sometimes it's not really directly impact with the companies, but political have a very big impact on the society as a whole. And with the increased terrorism and unstable in the political system in the world, business resilience is one of the important issues with how to sustain your business. So this is impact the most with the business resilience. Economics, now with the new economic models rising up, and people are looking for small, local, open, and connected business models. And with these four concepts, there are many new business models generated based on these four key factors. For social now, is before we only can communicate with our clients or customers. But now with a social platform, sometimes we have a lot of inquiries from the end user, from the open public. And we need to prepare for how to react with the socials in the opinions, social opinions. Environmental is it is the latest change, and our company have adopted with ISO 14001. That will be the environmental standard quality system, and also we have the Green Plus Award from the China Light Company, which is quite very hard to achieve. Technological is with the increased use of internet and cloud-based computing. There the lower barrier for companies to use the technology now, and also the end users. And with that in mind, we need to have innovative ideas on the technology platform to have more of the people can use the product. And also with there's a coming trend with the building information management, and this is one of the for construction industry. This is a quite a important technological use. In my current business model, I have put some innovative component in customer segment relationships. I think we are the first one to use the CRM software to manage our different customers. As I mentioned before, we have clients, customers, consumers, and we need to realign them with their values and to understand the ultimate the end user, what the end users want. And this help us to align with clients and customers. So we try to understand the customer segments. And with the key activities, we have been optimize our business. We have invite other university students to do final year project and to help us in our business intelligence process, to help us for a better optimization on our purchasings. And value propositions. Agility is the coming trend, and we need to change fast. And with this value proposition to our employees, they keep this in mind and they need to think of new ideas. And let's say I will not ask them to think, but at least when there's a new coming product or new coming solution, they can adopt it quickly and to provide a solution to their clients. Apart from the innovative component, the new things I've introduced into the original business model is, as I mentioned before, the coming trend is open, connected, small, and local. Think of this, I have worked with one of my key source suppliers who deal with the locker. It's IoT lockers, Internet of Things lockers. And that is for the last mile delivery. I explain what is last mile delivery because for the logistics change now, the trend now, last mile delivery is the hardest problem to do, to deliver the products to the end users. And for that, you need to have a locking system to hold the goods from the logistics company. And because of this, and also with our communities, you have different small business around the communities. And all this with the internet, you can have this to use the locking system and to have the product to do the business transaction with this locking system. And I think that would be a new revenue system for us. Do I consider myself as an entrepreneur? I will consider I'm an entrepreneur. Although my business is already, our company business is already 60 years, as a third generation, I try to keep introduce changes in the company to regulate the business and to improve the current situation. Not for the current situation, but for the 3 years situations. And also, I want to inspire my colleagues to be entrepreneur. I cannot keep on thinking new ideas. And also, even if I give them new ideas, they need to understand the ideas. But if I can inspire them to be an entrepreneur, my colleagues to be entrepreneurs, they can think of the new ideas, and if they think, they will add on it. And that is what is my ultimate goal. Through the entrepreneurial process, I will justify a right opportunities is to understand and verify and investigate the information and data from the society and the market and develop my own insight for the most benefit for my business. And the second is to analyze the challenges and the risk of the opportunities. If there's a for the opportunities, and to make it into the right opportunities, and to modify it to keep on improvise the solution. And social media will be help because it is very easy to engage with the end users and to test whether the solution is good. So we use the social media to understand the market. Innovation strategies, we use 10 types of innovation strategies to improve our business operation and also our product and service. For example, there's a coming trend with the Airbnb and with clients. They have different properties. They want to rent out their properties and to develop a product and service and to use their mobile phone and to deliver the access to the other users. I think that it will be not only is an innovative business for my company, but to provide innovation solution for our customer. That is important. And the second thing is to create shared values. My company create shared values is to promote Hong Kong creative industry to international. That is my ultimate value, my vision.